this video we are reviewing the Roverta Clean and Steam Multi. So this is the steaming and this is the vacuum. In order to start this whole system, you have to press this button to turn on the steamer and wait until the blue button is stable and is not blinking. You can use it by two methods, pressing this one here or pressing this one. This one is when you use the module separately, but when you're using the whole system, you can press this here. A little noise. Here is the water level and here is the vacuum picks from the ground. Watching. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and see ya in the next video. Peace!